Welcome to Chinmayi's Arts and Flavors. I am Chinmayi. We have seen paintings from the ancient times on walls, in caves and on rocks. Painting is an ancient art. Today we are going to paint using the materials available near us in the environment like the pebbles. By painting these pebbles, we are going to decorate the house today. We are going to collect the eco-friendly materials available near us like the small stones and these, and we are going to paint on it. First, we are going to wash thoroughly these stones and dry them so that the paint can be applied neatly and evenly on the stones or pebbles. Secondly, we have to choose the stones according to their shape, size and colors. This is good for making strawberries. It is the shape of the stone is good for strawberry painting, and this looks like a heart, so we can paint heart on these stones. Likewise, we have to choose the color and size of the stones before we are going to paint on it. First, let us start with the easiest one. I am going to paint. This is good for making a strawberry. So let me start painting this by applying evenly a very thick or a suitable coat that is put on this stone. Now I have evenly coated the stone and it should dry before two coats. I have used acrylic colors for this. These acrylic colors are good for stones, and you use the medium to make the paint thin if you want. We have already applied the first coating. Let the first coating dry and then we are going to apply the second one. Once this is dried, now I am going to make the leaf on it. After the leaves are done, we are going to put the white and black dots on the strawberries so that it looks very natural. It looks just like this, and these are some of them that I have painted earlier. Aren't they gorgeous? Next, this is ideal for making a cactus. So I am going to make a cactus painting on this pebble. So we are using green coating on the base. Let us apply two coatings, and once this is dried, I am going to make some dots or plus mark on this. After putting the dots on this, the cactus looks like this. And we have painted so many cactus and we have decorated this one like this, putting in a small pot. This is a little bit darker one and it's very round in shape. So I'm going to make a flower on this one. Since this is dark in color, I am going to use yellow color so that it looks beautiful on a darker shade. On this rock we are directly painting because this is very small, and I want to show the contrast colors because the pebble is a darker color, dark in color, and then I am going to make a yellow flower which is light. Let us make some shades on it. and some pollens, red color inside the flower. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? This is a stone which can stand on its own, and this is ideal for making a house. So I have made 2 houses which are just like this stone. I have taken the contrast colors white and the roof is red, and these 2 I have made the windows black and then the door orange color. These are some of the pebbles which are very different in shapes, size and color. We can see so many versatility and so many differences in aquarium fishes. So these are the fishes that I have painted, which are different in color, shape and size. With these stone pebble fishes, you can also keep them in aquarium to look aquarium more beautiful. This is a round stone. I have made a very small bird which looks very lively on this stone. This is a frog. Look at this. This looks so natural and alive. You can keep this in your garden also. This is a very beautiful stone which is long in shape and size, and it just looks like a chameleon to me. So I have painted a chameleon on this. You can keep this in your garden or maybe a small tree in your house. This is my pebble painting collection of nature theme. Let us see one by one what I have painted. This is the sunrise paint on a big pebble. After this, we have 2 houses, a kitty, 2 trees and a rabbit. And here we have a beach and tortoise, frog and this one, crab. And we have 6 fishes over here. After this, we have a penguin. And here we have a desert collection. You can see a chameleon on stones and these cactuses in a pot. The kitty is watching here, and what we have, a giraffe and a big leaf and 2 small bugs here. And this one is a lovely heart and heart on it. After that, we have flowers here and a bee which is attracted to the flowers. This is a small bird, an owl and 2 birds. And here what we have, the beautiful strawberries and a girl who has liked all my paintings, and she is smiling very happily. And at the end we have moon saying the good night to us with sweet dreams. This is a beautiful collection of pebbles that I have painted. This is the beautiful collection of my pebble paintings. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you.